Alright, welcome back to this module, guy. So in this particular session, we'll be talking about market structure. And it's very simple. And like I've said earlier, I want you to see everything we'll be discussing in this course as something that is not hard. Alright, whatever you've heard about Forex before, you need to forget about it. Now you are ready to learn the right way. So you can't afford to let what you've heard or what someone has told you to override what you want to learn right now. Trust me, I have made this course very simple. This is the simplest way you can learn Forex trading. Alright, the simplest way you can learn Forex trading. I have simplified it for any kind of person. Alright, so we'll be talking about market structure. And what exactly is market structure? Market structure simply means the direction of the market, either in a long term or in a short term. What am I saying? What direction is the market going to? What direction has the market been going to over a long period of time or in the current time? Alright, so remember I told you that the forex market has only two directions where it moves. Is either the market moves in an upward direction or the market moves in a downward direction. Alright, those are the two directions where the market moves. The third one we have, which is the movement of the market, is the sideways movement, which we call the consolidation. We call it the consolidation, but we don't reckon with it because we don't trade consolidation. So whenever the market is moving up, we trade, or whenever the market is moving down, we trade. So before we go into the charts, let me just give you a brief analogy here. So we have the downtrend. The downtrend is something like this, consists of a swing low, high, this is a low, this is another high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, alright, lower low, like that. This is the formation of a downtrend. Whenever you see a price moving in this particular direction, this is a downtrend. Let me put the trend line so that you can see what I'm saying. You see that we are trending downward. We are doing what? We are trending downward. This is the formation of a downtrend. So let me give us an uptrend. It's just the opposite of a downtrend. This is where the price is. The price moves up, then retrace back, moves up, then let me just do that again. Alright, this is the formation of an uptrend. The price moves up, what's wrong? Alright, so we have an uptrend just like this. Then the price moves down, moves up, down, up, down, up, and then down, and then up, like that. So if I pick my trend line right here also, you will see that we are in an uptrend because the market is moving in an upward direction. And the third part of market movement we have is what we call consolidation. And like I said, we do not trade consolidation. This is when price is not either going up nor coming down. It's just moving within a range. You can see that the price is not creating lower lows or lower highs. It's just moving within a range, something like this. Alright, something like this is just moving sideways. When the price is moving sideways, we tend to stay away from the market because those are dangerous time to trade. Those are indecision time to trade. So we stay off from the market. This is what I'm saying right here. Okay, so let me put the trend right here. You can see that price is neither breaking out from the upside or is neither breaking out from the downside. So whenever we see something like this in the market, we do not trade. Alright, so the first one on the left side is the downtrend. The middle one is consolidation. Whenever we see a movement like this, we do not trade. and the third one is the uptrend, which is on the right side. All right, so let's get into the chart and let's look at the practical example of market structure. Don't forget I said market structure is simply the direction of the market. The direction of the market. So if you look at this price right now, we would see that this price is currently going in a downtrend. All right, this price is currently going in a downtrend. And why do I say so? If we pick our trend, all right, if we pick our trend from here and we come down, we'll see that the arrow is coming down. Why? Because the price is going up. Let me zoom out and then so that you can see very well. You see that the price is coming down from this highest point. The price keeps coming down, coming back into the trend and then going down. So eventually we have a break from the trend line right here. We'll come back to that later. I'm not touching it currently. So what we have here is a symbol of a downtrend. All right, so let's look for an uptrend. Okay, this is a symbol of consolidation. Don't forget, a symbol of consolidation when price is neither breaking through the upside nor the downside. Can you see? Can you see that price is moving within a range? Price is moving within a range. You see what I'm saying? So in this kind of situation, we do not trade. We do not trade. You need to get this straight. We do not trade in this kind of situation when the price is consolidating. It is very simple. Forex is not hard. You just need to calm down and learn it and follow whatever you have been taught. All right, so let's look for an uptrend scenario. All right, so this is an example of an uptrend scenario. Let's see something right here. Let's say these are low right here, and then you can see the price keeps going up and going up and going up. You can see this is an example of uptrend. This is an example of uptrend. So whenever you see a chart going upward direction, creating higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, that's a sample of an uptrend. And whenever you see price coming down, creating lower low and lower high, just like this, all right, just like this right here that I showed you earlier, just like this. This is a symbol of a downtrend when price is creating lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower high. It is very simple. It's not difficult to understand. And whenever you see a sideways movement just like this, you know it's a consolidation period. What do? We basically stay out. So this is simply the summary of market structure, understanding the direction of the market. And before we close this particular module, you need to understand that your market structure must be identified on the higher time frame. As a day trader, your market structure, which is also can be called your trend, should be identified on the higher time frame, which is 4 hours time frame. As you can see right here, you can see that I'm currently on 4 hours. You can see I'm currently on 4 hours. The reason is because we want to pick the direction of the day where the price is likely to be moving towards for that day. All right, so once you open your chart, the first thing you want to do is to identify the market structure, knowing that this is the exact direction where the price is going to. This is the exact direction where the price is going to. So that being said, I will also touch one thing before we conclude this part. Whatever you will be learning in this place is something that I do personally and my other students have done and is working. All right, because I've seen a lot of people have different mentality when they will be like, I don't understand, and then this thing is not working. And it's not because it's not working, it's just because they have not practiced it. What I want to say before I conclude this part is that whatever you have been taught in this course, please on your own do well to go back to the charts and practice. Go back to the charts and practice. As we are done with market structure right now, I expect you to go to your chart and then identify your own structure. Identify your own structure from the higher time frame. Identify your structure from the higher time frame. Identify the downtrend, identify the uptrend, and then the consolidation. All right, and then the consolidation. Once that is done, then you know that the knowledge has already sticked to your brain. The knowledge has already sticked to your brain. So the three types of structure we have: the first one is the downtrend, when price is moving in a downward direction, creating lower lows and lower highs. Then the second direction is uptrend, when price is going in an upward direction, creating higher lows and higher highs. And the third direction is consolidation, when price is neither going upward nor downward. It's just moving within a range. Within a range, just like what we have here, just moving within a range, neither going up nor coming down. You can see it's not breaking up, it's not breaking down, it's just going. All right, it's just going. It's not breaking up, not breaking down, just forming within a range like that, like that. That is an example of a consolidating market. And what do I say? We do not trade whenever we see something like this. We do not trade whenever we see something like this. One of our secrets as a trader or as a professional trader is that we are not in hurry. We are not in hurry. All right, we are not in hurry. Whenever we see something like this, we wait because we want to secure our fund. That is why you are learning, so that we can tell you what to do and what not to do. So let's move to the second part of market structure, where we'll delve deeper into how we can make use of technical analysis to know when to either go long or go short. I'll see you on the next one.